What do you usually do on the weekends? In today's video, we are going to explore a beautiful park on Sunday. This is a perfect way to unwind and recharge your energy after a busy week. I'll use many everyday expressions and vocabulary in this video. Join me to boost your listening skills and learn practical expressions as we explore the park. You can always turn on subtitles or adjust the video speed if needed. All right, let's dive in. I used to visit this park frequently when I lived nearby. Since it's about 30 minutes away now, I don't go there as often. I really like how quiet this park is. The trees cast a generous amount of shade, so there are enough places to cool down, even on a hot day. Did you see the words on the sidewalk? They add such a youthful element to the park. They recently completed this new playground. Back then, the playground used to be over there. However, they tore that one down because it was outdated. The new one looks much nicer. The more we wander, the more netted cages and cement platforms you'll see. There are several of these places around the park because it's actually a disc golf course. Have you guys ever heard of disc golf? Disc golf is like regular golf, but instead of hitting a ball, you throw a disc into a metal basket. People come here all the time with friends to enjoy the sport. It's not as popular as normal golf, but it's free to play. Regular golf always costs admission or requires a club membership. I really like going deeper into the trees here. There's a small creek with the sound of running water. Can you hear it? It's highly therapeutic. The word therapeutic describes something that helps improve your mental or physical health, often by helping you feel relaxed or relieved from stress.
Let's go. Ready?
You can say a long walk in nature is therapeutic for both the body and the mind. Once you cross the bridge, you cross the bridge. It opens up to this round structure. I'm not really sure what it's for, but it kind of looks modeled after coliseums and round theaters. People can sit on the rock formation and watch a performer on the platform in the center. The park is not looking so great today. It rained yesterday, so a lot of leaves are just strewn about the park in the pathways. But out here, it still looks pretty much the same. Beyond the structure, the park becomes a large, open field. I like taking my dog here to run. She seems to enjoy the spaciousness. The word spaciousness describes places that feel big, airy, and wide open. You can say the park is super spacious, making it perfect for relaxing walks. Wow. Hey guys, look what we found out here in the middle of the field. It's a turtle. I'm on the sidewalk now, or you can also call it a trail. On the far end, we come to a small pond. We call this a pier. I'm standing on the pier. I'm overlooking the pond from the pier's vantage point. It's not a breathtaking view, but it's nice to look at for a few minutes. That basically wraps up the park. It's not incredibly big, but it has more to it than the average Texas park. I hope you guys enjoyed our stroll in the park and picked up some new English today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.